Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Faraway. This is a real quick video, little video update as to what I'm working with right now and what I'm going to be doing for the upcoming videos. Okay guys, from now on all my videos coming up, I'm going to be posting on the description below as to the materials that I'm using. If I can find the website as to where you can get it, I'll post the website. If not, I'll just post the name of the material. That's about it guys. Also is that this coming weekend there's a video coming up as to how to paint chrome, and I also have another project coming up. Let me show it to you real quick. And this is the other project coming up guys. It's another accordion. This one's going to be painted black with silver metal flakes. I do have to fix a couple of issues that the accordion has. It's a little older accordion. It is a Hohner, and it's Corona 2 accordion. Okay, so I'm going to be painting the grill, and I'm going to be painting the buttons also. So this is coming up, not this weekend, the following weekend, so just stay tuned. And guys, subscribe to my channel, and there's more videos to come. I'm going to be showing you how to mix the metal flakes, and I'm going to be showing you how to do a metal flake paint job. So this will be it for this video guys. Okay, so guys, like the video, share the video. Like I said before, this coming weekend there's a video coming up on as to how to paint chrome. So stay with me guys. I see you this weekend, and like always, God bless.